What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You want to keep your engine running well? Well, if you do, you might want to check out this stuff. It's called Marvel Mystery Oil, which I'm not a big fan of the name because it kind of sounds like snake oil to me. But, you know, I've been seeing really good things about this. And this is really kind of an interesting additive for cars because not only can you add it to your engine oil here, and it's supposed to improve lubrication, reduce, upper cylinder head noise, things like that, as well as I've kind of seen people say that it cleans out some of the gunk, some of the carbon and things like that kind of build up on the valves and whatnot, or on the rocker arms and things like that, which is totally possible. But the other thing is you can add it to your gasoline, to your fuel tank as an additive too. So it's kind of the first thing I've ever seen that they say, add it to basically any of the engine fluids. So that's kind of cool. It's an oil enhancer as well as a fuel additive and kind of a fuel cleaner. So it'll potentially remove, I think it's supposed to, as it goes through the fuel lines, kind of remove any carbon that might be accumulating on your intake exhaust valves or on the cylinder heads, those types of things. So kind of cool that it's a kind of a dual thing. Now, if you do add this to your oil, you may want to make sure that you're not overfilling your oil. So they say when you change your oil, if it's like a few ounces low, then you would add a few ounces of this to it. So you would want to make sure that you're not overfilling it. That can cause all sorts of other problems, or add some of this to a full gas tank. In the instructions, in this little fold-out section here, it gives you the instructions. If you're adding it to fuel, 4 ounces, treat up to 10 gallons. So you can put up to 8 ounces in a 20-gallon tank. And if you're going to add it to oil, replace up to 20% of the oil with this MMO. So that's kind of a lot, actually, more than I thought. So just going to keep those ratios in mind here. Add it, and I'm going to add it to the oil on my Porsche here and my Audi, and hopefully it works well and keeps these things running longer, better, maybe even more fuel efficient, smoother, whatever. We'll find out. But I'll put a link to the Mystery Oil by Marvel in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.